Hello guys, today I show you how to convert files from PDF to Microsoft Word. So I have a website for you, which is this website that which is named pdf to doc.com. So and the website can convert just only 2 pages, but if you need a lot of page, you need to sign up your own account. But this website, you no need to create a website, just convert it freely, yeah, very free. So my PDF have 7 pages. You can check out here, 7 pages. Yeah, here, 7 pages. So go to the website that I will give you the link in the description below. So you upload file, just click here, go to find file, yeah, in my desktop here, click on it. It will convert, just waiting a couple of times. It will work fast or slow, that depend on your internet. Yeah. Okay, now so it done upload done converting. Just click on download all here. So it will download for you here, and you need to waiting. It is a big file. I'm sorry, it's work very slow. My internet here very slow. 3.7 megabyte. This is a very good website. I suggest you to use this website. Yeah, it's full now. Just click on this show in folder. So extract the file, extract here. Yeah, just open on it. Let's see, does it convert correctly, accurately or not? Yeah, nice. You see, can edit, yeah. Yes, 7 page. Sure, it's 7 pages. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.